Hello, now I just wanted to give you guys my thoughts on the camera for the Micro Skyhunter. I'm sure. The Micro Skyhunter, the problem I had with this is the center of gravity is too heavy in the nose, so I put my receiver down here and hopefully I'll shove the battery in further back, but otherwise it won't work. This is made out of steel. It's really heavy. The camera is it's got a steel casing, so that makes it heavy. So might as well you use a regular size camera, you know. But the reception on this thing is okay. It's kind of weak because it's only like 25 milliwatts. So anyway, those are my thoughts on this particular item. Thanks.